Good morning, this is section 12.3. We're going to be simplifying rational expressions. A rational expression, once again, is just a fraction, and tonight we're going to have variables both in the top and the bottom. Our steps to follow are pretty simple. We're going to factor the numerator and denominator, and then cancel any factors if possible. But remember, we're only going to cancel factors. These are things that are connected with multiplication. So as we look at our first problem, we're going to consider the fact that everything is connected with multiplication. And so we're going to factor and cancel the 25 and the 30 and get 5 and 6. And then we're going to look at the a's and realize that there's a to the first on the top and a to the third on the bottom. And so those will cancel, leaving us with a squared on the bottom. So our answer is merely 5 over 6a squared. Our second problem, before we start the problem, we're going to cancel anything. We're going to factor the denominator, and we're going to take a GCF of 2 out of the denominator. The numerator stays the same as 16x squared, and now since it's factored completely, we can cancel things connected with multiplication. So the 16 and the 2 will cancel to 8 and 1. So our answer is 8x squared over x plus 5. Our third one down at the bottom, as we look at it, before we cancel anything, once again we must factor, because we can only cancel things connected with multiplication. So we're going to take a 6 out of the first part, leaving us with x minus 6. We're going to take a 12 out of the bottom half, leaving us with x minus 2. We now can cancel factors. The 6 and the 12 cancel to 1 and 2. Nothing else cancels in the problem, so my answer is x minus 6 over 2 parentheses x minus 2. Our last one, once again, we're going to factor out any GCFs that we possibly have. On the top, the GCF is 3x. So when we take a 3x out, we're left with x minus 2. On the bottom, our GCF is 6x. We take a 6x out, we're left with x plus 4. We now cancel our factors. Our 3x and our 6x cancel to 1 and 2, and the x's cancel completely. This leaves us with an answer of x minus 2 over 2 times x plus 4. These two 2's cannot cancel because this 2 is connected with the x by the parentheses and the minus.